This is why you need Scrum. Hi, I'm Pankaj Sharma, and over the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how the Scrum Framework can transform the way you and your team work, helping you do more with less and actually enjoy the process. Have you ever worked on a project that seemed endless, where every day felt like a repeat of the last and progress was painfully slow? Maybe you and your team poured countless hours into planning, only to find yourself stuck in endless meetings, chasing shifting requirements and feeling like the finish line kept moving further away. And after all that effort, you finally deliver something, only to realize it's not what anyone actually wanted. The clients are unimpressed, the team is exhausted, and the work feels wasted. This is a common frustration in the work world. Teams everywhere struggle with miscommunication, unclear goals, and the pressure to do more with less. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected from the purpose of your work. Enter Scrum, a framework designed for a rapidly changing world, built on the powerful idea of inspecting and adapting. Scrum isn't just another process, it's a mindset shift that helps teams navigate uncertainty and complexity with confidence. Instead of relying on rigid, long-term plans that quickly become outdated, Scrum embraces uncertainty. Teams work in short, focused cycles called sprints, where they build, gather feedback, and adjust their approach. This rhythm of continuous improvement keeps everyone aligned and responsive to change. By breaking work into manageable pieces and seeking feedback early and often, Scrum reduces risk and prevents teams from spending months or even years on the wrong thing. It's about learning fast, failing safely, and delivering value sooner. Scrum's lightweight structure guides teams with just enough rules to provide clarity, but not so many that creativity is stifled. It encourages experimentation, open communication, and a shared sense of purpose. One of Scrum's greatest strengths is how it empowers self-organizing teams. With all the necessary skills within the team, there's no need to wait for outside approvals or micromanagement. Teams can make decisions quickly and take ownership of their work. This autonomy motivates people to take real ownership, fostering a sense of pride and accountability. When teams feel trusted and empowered, they're more likely to deliver their best work and achieve remarkable outcomes. Scrum is used by organizations of all sizes, across industries and around the world because it works. It fosters transparency, collaboration, and a culture of continuous learning, qualities that are essential in today's fast-paced, interconnected world. In a world where change is constant and speed matters, Scrum is more than just a framework. It's a survival strategy. It helps teams focus on delivering true value, not just checking boxes or following outdated plans. By emphasizing what truly matters, Scrum brings joy and purpose back to work. Teams rediscover the satisfaction of solving real problems, delighting customers, and growing together. Scrum is not just a tool, it's a way to unlock your team's potential and achieve extraordinary results, doing more with less and finding meaning in every step of the journey. At the heart of Scrum is the Scrum team, a dynamic group of individuals who come together to deliver value in a highly collaborative and adaptive way. The Scrum team is not just a collection of people working on the same project. It's a tightly knit unit, united by a common vision and a shared sense of purpose. This team thrives on trust, transparency, and open communication, making it possible to respond quickly to change and continuously improve. Unlike traditional teams, Scrum teams are self-managing and cross-functional, meaning they have all the skills needed to deliver work without depending on others outside the team. They decide together who does what, when, and how, empowering every member to contribute their expertise. Scrum clearly defines three essential roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the developers. Each role carries unique responsibilities and accountabilities, ensuring that all aspects of the work are covered. This simplicity in structure reduces unnecessary complexity, making it easier for everyone to understand their responsibilities and focus on delivering value. Clear communication and a shared purpose are at the core of every successful Scrum team. The three roles interact constantly, balancing direction, facilitation, and execution. The product owner steers the vision and priorities, the Scrum Master fosters an environment for high performance, and the developers bring the work to life. Together, they ensure business value, technical excellence, and team effectiveness are always in focus. When these roles work in harmony, the Scrum team becomes a powerful engine for innovation and value creation, capable of tackling complex challenges and delivering outstanding results time and again. The product owner is the visionary at the heart of every successful product, responsible for maximizing the value delivered to customers and the business. They are not just a decision maker, but a strategic leader who shapes the direction of the product, ensuring every feature and improvement aligns with the overall vision and goals. Acting as the voice of the customer and stakeholders, the product owner bridges the gap between what users need and what the business aims to achieve. They gather insights, listen to feedback, and advocate for the best possible outcomes, making sure that every decision is informed by real-world needs and expectations. Managing the product backlog is a core responsibility. The product owner continuously refines, prioritizes, and updates backlog items, carefully weighing business value, customer impact, and risk. This ongoing process ensures that the team always works on the most important tasks, adapting quickly to changes in the market or feedback from users. Collaboration with stakeholders is key. The product owner translates complex requirements and ideas into clear, actionable backlog items that the team can understand and deliver. By facilitating open communication, they help align everyone's expectations and keep the project moving forward smoothly. The product owner ensures the team builds the right thing, not just anything. Through continuous dialogue with developers, they clarify priorities, answer questions, and provide feedback, making sure the team is always focused on delivering maximum value. Their authority over the product backlog empowers the team to focus on delivering value efficiently, removing ambiguity, and enabling developers to plan and execute with confidence. This clear ownership streamlines decision-making and helps avoid wasted effort. By owning the what, the product owner enables developers to focus on the how, fostering a partnership built on trust, transparency, and shared purpose. This collaboration is the foundation for building products that truly make a difference. The Scrum Master is a servant leader, ensuring the Scrum Framework is understood and enacted. They facilitate Scrum events, keeping them focused and productive. A key responsibility is removing impediments that slow the team down. The Scrum Master coaches the team, product owner, and organization in adopting Scrum. They break down barriers, fostering a more agile and collaborative culture. The Scrum Master is the team's protector, creating conditions for success. Developers in Scrum are a cross-functional group committed to creating a usable increment each sprint. They transform high-priority backlog items into valuable product increments. Developers are empowered to make decisions about how to accomplish their work. Self-management is key, with developers organizing their work to complete the sprint goal. They track progress and adapt plans during the daily Scrum. The commitment to quality ensures the product grows stronger with each sprint. Developers bring the product vision to life, one piece at a time. Scrum is structured around regular events, creating predictability and minimizing unnecessary meetings. Each event is an opportunity to inspect and adapt, fostering transparency and improvement. Events are time-boxed, ensuring focus and efficiency. The sprint is the container for all other events, creating a continuous development cycle. Key events include sprint planning, daily scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. These events replace ad hoc meetings, providing a simple, repeatable pattern. This rhythm allows teams to focus on work rather than process management. Embracing this cadence enables continuous value delivery and improvement. The sprint is a time-boxed effort where the team creates a valuable product increment. It provides a stable rhythm for progress and planning. Sprint planning aligns the team on what can be delivered and how. The sprint goal gives the team purpose and flexibility. Developers forecast work based on past performance and capacity. By the end of sprint planning, the team has a shared understanding of their objectives. Scrum artifacts maximize transparency and focus. The product backlog is a master list of everything needed in the product. The product owner manages the backlog, prioritizing items for value. The sprint backlog is a real-time picture of work planned for the sprint. The increment is the sum of completed backlog items, meeting the definition of done. These artifacts ensure everyone has a shared understanding of progress. They provide a clear basis for adaptation and improvement. Scrum's power lies in the cultural shift it inspires, not just its mechanics. It empowers teams to solve complex problems with collective intelligence. Scrum changes the focus from schedules to delivering value. Short sprints reduce the risk of building the wrong thing. Constant feedback ensures products evolve with real customer needs. Teams are more engaged and motivated, leading to higher quality products. Scrum fosters transparency, inspection, and adaptation, surfacing problems early. It builds resilient learning organizations, unleashing human potential. By embracing Scrum, teams deliver real value faster, transforming how they work.